This is around the last week of April 2021, and this is a short video about my roof deck and the ladder that goes up to it and some other parts of the install. It was a $90 ladder off of Amazon. It's kind of cheap, thin aluminum tubing, but it works. Just be careful, and as long as you're not 300 or 400 pounds, you should be okay. Let me show you something here. We made our door into a double door instead of swinging open like a normal bus. As I said in earlier videos, you know, I made it into a single door, and I took out the console and all the hardware that you used to open the door with by sitting in the driver's seat, and you would turn that handle to open the door like a normal school bus. Well, that's all out of here, of course. But I showed you that so that I could show you this. The top part of that swivel handle is used for this ladder assembly, because that last rung of the ladder is way too high. I'm 6 foot and it's my hip height, and I can kind of get my leg up to the 90-degree angle and put it on that last step there. But I needed another step at least to make it simple for me. But even another step would still make it a little bit difficult for my wife, Robin. But that's how it's got to be. So what I did was, that is the part that came from the door hardware. As you can see, this used to be the handle, and when you were up front and you had that door like a regular school bus door, you used to sit there and, you know, you would open the door. Come on in, kids. Yay, thank you, bus driver. Well, no problem. Get in the back and be quiet. Anyway, yeah, that's that. And so I made a first step there. Drilled a couple holes in these brackets. My bumper is on an angle, so as you can see, there's space there. I took a door hinge. I cut a door hinge for these brackets. Now, if a 200-pound guy like myself, already tested it, stood on the very edge of this and just kept bouncing up and down, yeah, you'd probably bend these brackets. So if that ever starts to bend in the future, I'll get thicker brackets. But anyway, there it is. That's the first step. That's the video. That's the installation of the ladder. Over and out.